In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to enhance or upgrade or colorize any image with the help of a free online tool which is called VAGPE Photo Enhancer. I'm going to show 3 beautiful models which all comes free and allows you to download the video without any watermark. So make sure you stick to this video till the end, and for now, let's head over to my home screen. Go to the link given in the description and open VAGPE Online Photo Enhancer. Then you can, if you're using this on mobile, then you can go to Google Play Store and download its app as well. Otherwise, you can use it in the browser itself. Once you get into the website, you simply go to Enhance Now option. That will lead you to the dashboard. Here we will choose one image. So let me choose my image. Let me choose this one. This is super blurred image. You can jolly well see. Now it will directly start its work to enhance this image, release the blurriness and crystallize it. So it might take a little while. So just wait for a while. And on a blink, you can jolly well see if you remove this slider, this is the original picture and this is the resulted picture. Now let me show you the left hand side widget. The first one which is there is an AI enhanced model. We have used this by default. Any picture will be coming into AI enhanced model only. Here there are 2 options. One is soft, one is sharp. Now if I go to sharp mode and go to preview, now you will see there is a sharp change in the face. Now you see, you can just enlarge it by going to this scroller. So let me just enlarge it a little bit. And now you see this was the original image, and after sharpening, this is the AI image which it has sharpened and shown. It is a wonderful change, a feasible change. This was a so blurred image and now this is so clear. So once you are happy with this, you go to this download option and download the image in your desktop, and this is the final result. Step 2. Let us move ahead to the other models. Next model is general model. In general model, again we can just go for any of these options. One is you can ensure 1000 pixel quality, or else you can ensure a quicker large resolution picture. So we will be concentrating on quality. Here again, if you want to upload a new picture, go to new upload option, and from here I will choose one picture and open. So it will take a while to enhance the quality of this picture, and this is the difference. This was the original picture, and see a vivid change. I don't know how much you can get. I will show you on a broader screen, and this is a crystal clear picture, right? Now one more thing I want to show you. Next model is AI upscale model, right? So if I keep the same image and go to this AI upscale model, here I have 3 options. You can go up till 800% upscaling. So if I choose 800% upscaling and go for preview, let us see what is the result. So this is the result. This was the original picture. After AI upscaling, we have got a sharp, crisp, beautiful picture. Now let us go to denoise. This is basically if there is any noise in the image, then it will be to this model. If you just keep this toggle on, I will again upload the same image. This is the result from denoise model. This is the original picture, and see after denoising, this is a crystal clear picture. Once you are satisfied, just go to download without any watermark. Your picture will be downloaded. Now let us move to the next part where we will be using colorized model. We have used till denoise model. Now we will be taking a black and white picture and let VAGPE AI convert it into a colored picture. Let us give it that challenge. Go to new upload, and I have this lion's picture which is absolutely black and white. Keep this colorized model toggle on and go to preview option. Wow, Look at this. This was the original picture. And what has HitPod made it? Wonderful. Look at this. This was a black and white picture and this is the original. This is the original picture and this is what AI has made it. I'll just download the output and the comparison image and show you on the screen. So this is the comparison image. Definitely use this, guys. This is doing an amazing job, I must say. This is a free tool. The links will be given in the description as well as in the comment section. Go ahead and use it and do let me know in the comment section how your pictures turned out to be. I eagerly wait for your comments. Now only one model is left, that is restore old image, old photo. This option. Okay, so let me change the image. So I'll go to upload option and choose my picture. So I'll take this picture first. So guys, this is after sharpening the picture. As I told you, by default sharp model will be taken. This is amazing. So this was the change, this was the picture, and now after just AI sharpening enhancement model, this is the picture. Now let us move ahead and do the restoration. So I will just keep both the models on, colorization model and restore model, and then go to preview and let's see how AI works on it. Voila. Amazing outcome. This was the previous image. You can see it was very grainy and it was literally an old image which I have downloaded from Google, and this is the outcome. So again, I will move ahead and I will just take a comparison image, and this is after restore we have generated. Okay, so you can also see here I have shown you after the sharpening photo enhancer model. Now let us move ahead and take the last image which I am going to upscale. So I will be taking this image, and this is again a downloaded image from Google, an old image, and let's see how AI works on it. This image I have shown you, and this is what I have got from face model on, and I have also given the restore old photo toggle on and colorize model on. So you can try many models together or single model. Not necessarily you'll have to use only one model. You can keep these extra AI models toggles on as and when you need it, and make the best use of this software. And I'm looking forward to have your amazing comment in the comment section. Do let me know how your photos turned out to be. It is again a sponsored video from HitPod. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.